Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I'll be sharing with you a mini haul from Nordstrom's anniversary sale. And this is something I look forward to every year. And I didn't spend too much this year, but I'll share with you what I did haul. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what I was interested in, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I want to show you a small haul from Nordstrom's, and this year I did really good. Last year I spent a little bit more than I really wanted to, but this year I kept it within budget with moving and everything else. And I actually picked up only one thing on curbside, and then the rest I actually had shipped to me. That's why it took a little longer for me to go ahead and film this. I was waiting for it to come in. I am still waiting for one box, but that's okay because I got majority of everything that I want to share, and so I'll do that. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do the affirmation card, and this is "You Got This." And I know I didn't do one on the day that I did the look for you using my Anastasia Beverly Hills X BoxyCharm box try-on, because that was already over 30 minutes. So I figured, you know, I'll go ahead and wait until the next time I film to do this. And so anyway, let's see what we have today. And as you notice, I'm wearing my glasses in case I need to read something that I bought that I don't remember, okay? And this will help with the card too. Okay, very pretty. It's a wreath of flowers. Beautiful wildflowers like you guys. Nice card. And it says, "Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall," by Oliver Goldsmith. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. That's a very good thought, and that's a very good affirmation, because you know what? We're humans. We are going to fall. And any of you out there thinking that you're never going to fall, you're in for a huge disappointment. But knowing that the glory isn't in the falling, but that you're going to rise again, right? You've always heard that saying, if you fall off the horse, get back on and ride again, or something like that. But yeah, it's really important to know that it's okay to fail. And it's also very important to teach your children, it's okay to fail, it's okay to fall. But get right back on it. Get right back up and press forward, because there's yet another failing in the future. But every time you fail, just learn something from it. Really think about, why did I fall? Can I prevent it next time? At least in similar situations, at least, right? And so, you know, I love this saying that says, I think it's by Einstein, where he says, learning from your mistakes, you're smart. But learning from others' mistakes, you're a genius, right? And so I try to do that. When I see somebody fall, or that is, failing, I like to be there to help pick them up and get them going. But also in doing that, I learn things from that failure, even though it may not be mine. But I try to learn, and I try to be that genius that I will never be. But, I will continue to try and get back on my horse again. So yeah, think about that, because it's our nature. God created us this way, and we are to fall and fail on, every corner. But you know what? We just have to get back up and be thankful for what we have, and be thankful that we can get back up. Okay. And yeah, and in rising, every time we do, we learn something. It makes us that much stronger. Just remember, failure also followed by strength is very important. Okay, so that's that. Very good. I like this. I like that, you got this card. I know some of you prefer the gratitude one, and I like them too. I like them all equally, actually. So yeah. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, this first bag here, this is the only thing I picked up at the curbside. The reason why I did that, because that day they were giving away $10 notes. In other words, $10 towards your next purchase for free if you picked it up. And, Nordstrom's isn't that far. And I'm like, okay, I'll go buy something small and I'll go pick it up. And so that's what I did. And so the first thing I want to share with you that I picked up And this is something that I've been wanting, and I've gotten actually the smaller samples from my Scentbox. And so I decided I'm going to get the full bottle because I really like it. And it was on sale. I normally will go through Scentbox because you get a 15% off coupon each time you do a review. And so I usually do that and save my rewards and use it towards that. But instead, I decided, you know what, this one I'm going to go ahead because this one is cheap, and it does, not cheap, but it's at a discounted rate. And so I know this has the manufacturer value, I think $195, but it was much less than that. And so this is by Tom Ford, and this is Black Orchid Perfume. And this is the gold edition. So this is a little bit more concentrated than the black edition. And I have that as well, but in a smaller one. I just have this piece in the black. But this is very intense. And I think that's what they call it, right? Black Orchid Perfume Scent Eau de Perfume Intense. And so this, I mean, this will be a little bit stronger. This will be more likely for the nighttime. But this is very beautiful. I mean, you get a travel one, which I really appreciate because I like to stick it in my purse. But with something like with Tom Ford, you only need to spray it in the morning and it hangs on all day long. So, you know, but, you know, I do love the aesthetics of this. So this is the first thing I picked up. And this is the only thing I got curbside, like I said. So rest our boxes. So let me grab the first one. Okay, I don't know what's what. And so here's the first box. It's a small one. It's like almost nothing in it. I'm like, I didn't buy anything that light. So I don't know what's going on with that, you know? So let's see. Okay. And it does come just packaged like that with your invoice and paper. Oh, are you kidding me? I forgot about that. This is Tom Ford mascara. It's a travel size sample that you got anytime you made a purchase of the perfume, and so, or any of Tom Ford stuff. So I guess they mailed it in a box, a sample. I guess they might have forgotten to give it to me, so they decided to mail it to me. Well, that's kind of them. I wouldn't have remembered, to be honest, because it is a gift with purchase, and here it is, and it is a mascara. And, you know, Tom Ford's packaging is very, very luxe. And so I've never tried any of his mascara, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. I'm not going to open it yet because I don't know when I'll be trying it. And I know it's not waterproof, so I will have to use it when I know I'm not going to need a waterproof mascara. Okay. All right. And I will pop the name of the mascara up there, okay? And when you see the name, you'll know why. Okay, so that's that. And that was my first box. Okay. Okay, now the second box. Okay, this box, now this has a little more substance in it, okay? So it is a little bit heavier. And let's see what's in here. Like I said, I did order a couple of random stuff. And so, but I don't know which is in what box. So I don't pay attention to that. And so here we go. Again, they box their stuff really well, by the way. And here it is with all of this stuff. Oh, okay, I can see that there's a couple of things here. I got something very heavy here. And the second thing is something very light. And there's my invoices and all that stuff. And I'm sorry for all that noise I'm making, guys. And I will unwrap and then show you. Oh, okay. And unwrap. Oh, alrighty. Okay, the first thing, the heavy one. Well, here it is. It's the Olaplex system. I actually get this every year when Nordstrom has a sale. Sometimes they have them in a winter sale for a travel size, which is really cute. And I do get that. And I do enjoy this. This is a very good brand. Jen Button, I know you're my super duper hairdresser out there. Tell me what you think about, Olaplex. And I do like it. I have actually 0 and 1, step 1, 0 and 1, which is a pre-wash type of thing, conditioner, and then you wash it off. So I know this has at-home Olaplex hair perfector number 3, and then you have the shampoo number 4 and the bond maintenance conditioner number 5. So it's for all hair types, any concern, anytime, and I do like it. My hair feels very strong and it lasts forever because you only need like a tiny bit. Even with my hair, you need just a tiny bit of shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, so this was worth it, and it's at a 30% savings now at Nordstrom. So this should be going up before it's over. So in case you guys have general open for general sales. The only thing I was really disappointed about is that my ranking is influencer, which is the second set of, I think Icon is number 1 and then Influencer is number 2. And the availability comes based on your ranking. And we were the only second set of people with the Nordstrom card to actually be able to shop, right? And yet majority of what I wanted and had in my wish list was gone. And majority of it was clothing, okay? Nice sweaters and things like that, and it was gone. So in a way, I'm kind of glad it was, because, you know, how much more clothes do I need, right? So yeah. Okay, and then a second thing is this Nars. And I got this. These are special editions, and they only released them at the time of the anniversary sales. And I really like the aesthetics. And not only that, I don't have any of the shades, and I love Nars. And I noticed that, you know, the bronzer on here was beautiful. So here it is. The color is so beautiful. It's coral. And you have 3 products in the back. It's called Pleasure Trip. And it's a cheek palette. And it has Wanderlust, Lucky Star, and Wild at Heart. And so I'll tell you which is which. Okay. Here we go. Let me take the... there is a slight shimmer on the cheek ones. And on the bronzer, there's no shimmer. Because I really don't like shimmer in my bronzer. So there you go. Okay, this here is going to be Wanderlust, and this is the Lucky Star, and this is Wild at Heart. Okay, so these are beautiful shades, guys. These are really, really nice. And these two have a slight shimmer and no sparkles or anything like that. It's like the baked type. And you have this is a matte. And okay. Yeah, I'm happy about that. And the reason why I did get this is because I do have a lot of Nars products, but I do not own these shades, and they are special editions. So I said, you know, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, get that because I do love it. And yeah, hopefully it'll work out with my skin tone. I think so. It looks, it just looks gorgeous. Okay, that is the second box. So hold on for the third box. Actually, this is my third and final box, and there is a box out there still somewhere. And so this is the biggest one, which means like I said, I didn't spend too much on cosmetics. Matter of fact, that's it for cosmetics. Well, cosmetics meaning shampoo and the bronzer, the face palette. And this one should be actually clothing. And so, and I wait for these anniversary sale for these type of clothing. And yeah, especially because like the pairs of jeans, I'm really picky with my jeans. I don't like them like really, really tight, and I don't like, you know, low cut jeans. I like high-waisted button-ups if at all possible. And one company actually makes it beautifully. And yeah, and I like boyfriend jeans, which are actually loose fitting and very comfortable. So let me just pull this out. It looks like the box that I'm missing from the looks of this are, I got my jeans, but it looks like I'm missing some blouses. So yeah, okay, the first thing is this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you so I can kind of show you what I got. And I love this type because I like high neck, and I know this looks really tiny, and it is because it's only meant to cover up to my stomach, you know, because I wear a high, like I said, high-waisted, and I wear this underneath things. The only reason why I wear them is for the high neck. And then I could possibly wear a shirt underneath it and wear this over it, or I wear something like this. This is actually what I'm wearing now, and I wear, you know, something like this over it because I don't like, on a hot day like this, I don't like sleeves on top of sleeves, and there are plenty out there, you know, where sleeves on top of sleeves. And so it's cut very cool, and it's a ribbed, you know, it's a ribbed design, and this actually was on sale for $9, and Nordstrom's, I mean, you don't find anything for $9, aside from maybe a hair clip or something, and even then, you know, you don't. And so this was a great deal, and I actually ordered it in like 4 different colors. They were all out except for this one. That's what I'm talking about. Like, you know, I mean, it had only been released for like 3 days before we could shop, and it was, most of the things were sold out. So I was kind of sad about that because I really like these. And so, yeah, and they're very comfortable. And so the next one, and the specific brand of jeans that I really like, and the reason why I buy them at anniversary sales because they could go upwards to, you know, over $200, $300. So I want to pay way under $200 if at all possible. And for these sales, I can. And this is, I forgot how you say this company. It's called 7 for All Mankind. It's a brand. And here's the branding here. And this is what it looks like. And these are slightly distressed, I see. I don't like it too distressed because if it goes through, you know, I don't want to show skin, so I have to wear like a leggings or something. And so here is the jeans here. I'm going to have to like put it on for you one of these days and show you. And here's the back. And this is their pocket. And their pockets will all have the same design because this is their logo, their trade pocket. And these are supposed to be stonewashed. It does look like it was, you know, like worn. And that's the whole point of this. And these are, like I said, button-ups. And I love button-ups. I don't like zip-up jeans, even though most of them are zip-ups. But this brand is unique in that. And this pattern is called Josephine, I think, specifically. That's the model I like. Let's see. Ooh. Yep, 7 for All Mankind, Los Angeles, Josephine. And this is Solano and size 24. So, yep, there it is. Okay, and that's, they go by waist sizes. So, you know, I have to buy things that are short because I'm only 5'2". So that's why I like boyfriend jeans. They come like this, right? And so all you have to do is you order them not by length, but you order them by waist size. And so, yeah, that's that. And I like it. Actually, am I wearing a pair now? No. But I do wear it almost every day, so I had to put it away. Okay, that's that. And then the second one, same thing. Let's see. That's that. Okay, the next one here, same thing. But this is a different denim color, I think. Yep. And here it is. This is the color. Okay. And I thought they all had those pockets, but I guess it doesn't. This one's kind of unique. It's different. What's going on with that? You see the pocket? Okay. I guess maybe it doesn't. Is this a Josephine? I'm going to have to check because this is called a Feminine Boyfriend. Solano. Maybe it's based on the design. You see how they cut the pockets, like, kind of cool? Wow, that's different. You see the design on a pocket? It's like they sewed over it. Huh, very interesting. Wow, I don't think I've quite seen ones like that. But, yeah, that's okay. And these doesn't feel like they have stretch in it. Where the other one feels like it's got a little stretch, this one doesn't. I don't need it. As long as I have the right size. So, okay, yeah. And I got 2 pairs of jeans. These look kind of big, though. It might be wrong. I'll have to try it on and see, because these do feel a little big. So, yeah. I think that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. Let me take a look again. And to the boxes. Yep, that's it. So, very quick. Like I said, a small haul. All the rest of the boxes with my shirts in them are still out there somewhere. So, yeah, but these are the core things that I wanted to share with you. So, if I added any values, please hit like. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hitting the bell button. So that way you know every time I upload a new video. So, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you for being with me. And thank you for being the beautiful wildflowers that you are. So, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. Just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.